Hello guys, welcome back to Genie. Today I'm going to show you how to fix 2026-05 security update KB5089549 not installing on Windows 11 including builds 26200.8457 and 26100.8457. First, open Settings. Windows Update, click Pause Updates, wait a moment, then click Resume Updates and try again. If that doesn't work, open Services, find App Readiness, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, and Windows Update. Open each one, set Startup Type to Automatic, click Start if available, then right-click each service and choose Restart. Now go back to Windows Update and click Retry. Still not working? Open PowerShell as administrator and run the update reset commands provided in the video description. Run each command one by one, then restart your PC. Next, open Command Prompt as administrator and run the repair commands from the description. Start with the system file scan, then run the DSM repair commands. Wait for each scan to reach 100%, then restart your computer. If the update still fails, install it manually from the Microsoft Update Catalog. Search for KB5089549, then check your Windows version by typing WinVer in Windows Search. Also check your system type under Settings or System About. Download the correct update for your version and system type, then install it manually and restart. Another option is fix problems using Windows Update. Go to Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options, Recovery, then select Reinstall Now. This reinstalls your current Windows version while keeping your apps, files, and settings. If nothing works, use the Media Creation tool. Download it from Microsoft, choose ISO file, save it to your desktop, then open the ISO and run setup.exe. Make sure Keep Personal Files and Apps is selected, then click Install. After the installation finishes, log back in and run Windows Update again. One of these methods should help you install KB5089549 successfully. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Genie.